Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lu's VCE Chemistry channel. Today, let's learn together about the 2020 VCE Chemistry examination. We will focus on questions related to protein and vitamins. My explanations may need to be revised. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. This diagram is an enzyme's primary structure, consisting of glutamine, alanine, and lysine. When the person eats protein, the primary structure is not broken. The covalent bonds in the primary are broken during digestion. Eating broke down the tertiary and secondary structure covalent bonds and hydrogen bonds. This table gives us the nutrients of eggs. The nutrients of egg yolk are fat and protein, and white is protein. Cooking denatures protein in egg white and yolk. Denaturation changes secondary and tertiary structures of protein and allows proteins to coagulate and egg to harden. Vinegar contains an acid and the change in pH also causes denaturation. The vinegar can only access the surface of the egg and so only causes the egg white to solidify while the yolk remains runny. The composition of fatty acids in an egg yolk is given in table. The melting points for the first three fatty acids are provided. The methyl esters all contain the ester functional group, so retention times will depend on molecular mass/size and extent of unsaturation. Calibrate by running pure samples of each of the methyl esters through the HPLC under the same conditions to determine individual retention times. The relative amounts and hence percentage composition of the egg yolk can be determined from the relative areas under the peak heights at the retention times of the associate methyl esters. Arachidonic acid. The weaker the attraction between molecules, the lower the flash point. Data indicates that melting points increase as the number of C atoms increases, and data indicates that flash points decrease when carbon-carbon double bonds are present. This effect on the flash point is greater than the effect caused by increasing chain length, and so the greater the number of carbon-carbon double causes a greater effect than the effect caused by increasing chain length, and hence arachidonic acid should have the lowest flash point. Databook gives the molecular formula of palmitoleic. Then, we draw the condensation formula of this triglyceride, and finally, write the molecular formula and calculate the molar mass. 1 mole of iodine is added to 1 mole of carbon-carbon bonds. First, we calculate the mole of carbon-carbon in 100 grams, and then, calculate the mole of iodine. Final, the mass of iodine is calculated. In protein and vitamins, 2 multiple-choice questions are worth 2 marks, and 1 short answer is worth 15 marks. The overall score for this section is 17 marks. With a total possible score of 120 points, the percentage for this section was 14.2% of the total score.
If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lu's VCE Physics channel, Dr. Lu's VCE Chemistry channel, and Dr. Lu's VCE Biology channel.